Hello again, fellow virtual consultants. Today we're going to show you how to automate your business using Zapier, how to automate a workflow going from Google Gmail to a channel in Discord upon receipt of a Thinkorswim price alert in our Google Gmail account. And we will show you how to solve a problem that exists where you cannot currently go from Google Gmail directly to Discord. We'll show you a quick and easy way how to solve that problem. So if you have not already seen our previous video on that helps you get started with Zapier, what Zapier is, how to set up your account, how to create your first Zapier Zap, automate your first workflow, we would highly recommend that you view episode 1 in our Zapier tutorial, create a Twitter to Discord Zap that shows you again what Zapier is, how to set up your Zapier account. You can set up a free account. You don't have to pay anything to get started, and how to create your first Zap. And now we'll jump into the specifics of how to create our Zap going from Google Gmail to Discord upon receipt of a Thinkorswim price alert. Okay, firstly, let's attempt to clearly define the requirements for our automation before we dive in, which is something we would always highly recommend that you work with your clients if you're offering this type of business automation as a virtual consulting service to your clients. We would highly recommend that you start by trying to clearly define the requirements. So the requirements for this workflow, for automating this workflow, is that we receive these emails in our Google Gmail from Ameritrade's Thinkorswim upon a stock price hitting a particular price alert. And Thinkorswim does not have a direct integration either between the Thinkorswim application and our Discord channel or with Zapier. Zapier does not currently have some pre-built automation from Thinkorswim. So we have to figure out a multi-step way to automate that workflow. So we can get these price alerts from Thinkorswim directly into our Google Gmail. That's all automated already by the Thinkorswim platform. And when we get an email, it looks like this. So we're trying to then get this information from this Google Gmail email, and we want to post it in a particular channel within the Discord server to alert our Discord members of that Thinkorswim price alert, so that they can all be aware of that price alert even if they're not using the Thinkorswim platform. So that is the requirements for automating this workflow. Now we have to figure out how can we accomplish that using the Zapier tool. And to begin with, so here's the alert channel within the Thinkorswim TOS alerts channel within the Discord, to which we are attempting to post this message automatically. So let's get started creating our new Zap, automating this workflow in Zapier. Again, if you have not seen, so I go to my Zapier account at zapier.com. I go to the Zaps tab to create a new Zap. Again, we're just going to go through this quickly. If you have not again seen episode 1 that talks about how to get your account set up, how to get started, how to create your first Zap, we'd highly recommend episode 1 in our Zapier tutorial, creating a Twitter to Discord Zap that shows you how to get started and how to create your first Zap. So in this case, I'm going to say create a Zap. I know that I want to go from Gmail as the source of my information. So my source application, I'm going to select Gmail. I'm going to name my Zap. Say Gmail to Discord. So I'm going to choose my event. So I want to have a particular email. When this particular email comes in, I want to then select it because I don't want this triggered on every email that comes in. I want only specific emails. I'm going to choose the account that it comes into. And now what I need to do, if you look at the help text underneath that, it tells you, you don't want just everything. You probably want to limit to your inbox, and here's how to include things just in your inbox. And here's some examples of search strings. And now in a second I'll show you a quick and easy way to get that search string for the particular emails that you want to get in Gmail. So let's do that a second. Okay, let me show you what I think is the quickest and easiest way to find that search string that you need to put in for the search string for your emails or your Gmails in your Zapier Zap. It's if you find and open one of the emails of the type that you're trying to filter in your Google Gmail account, if you select the dots, typically it's under the dots, and you say filter messages like these, then it will bring up the advanced filtering, and in this case it's automatically selecting the email address that it's coming from. I can also add, if I want to specify just price alerts in this case, I can say, okay, I just want ones that have the word price alert in them. And then I can say search, and you can see it will then generate this search string for just those emails. Now, we also saw in Zapier that it recommended including the string for just in the inbox, so we'll also include that. So you can see that's a quick and easy way to get the search string for any particular emails that you're trying to search for or filter to use in your Zap in Zapier. Okay, so we come back to our Zapier Zap, we paste that search string in that we got from filtering our Gmail. We also want to include this in inbox in the front of this search string, so we're only searching for emails that are in the inbox from that email address with the words price alert in them. Now we're going to test our Zap, test it. See, it should find in this case at least one. So it does. It finds that the first one, it meets our criteria. It looks good. So now we'll continue. So now I'm going to show you first what the problem is and then how to solve that problem. So if I try to go directly to Discord, I will set this up. I will try to do it. I want to send a channel message. I'm going to go to that Discord server. I want to go to that TOS Alerts channel. I'm going to set text-to-speech on. In this case, I'm going to select the raw message, the raw snippet message. That's what I want to send. That has pretty much all the information in text. It's not formatted. That's fine for now. Okay, and then I'll just call this guy test Zap just for now, and I'll continue. Okay, so what we're going to find, I'm going to test this action and I'll show you the results. So it's going to let me test it. So I'm going to say test. It's going to tell me it was successful, and if we go over to that Discord, we're going to see that yes, it did in fact send that that message. So it looks like it's going to work. So it looks like I'm done. However, let me show you what the issue is. I'm going to remove that so we can retest it without spamming the Discord members. I'm going to come back to my Zap, and I'm going to attempt to turn this Zap on. And this is where I'm going to encounter the problem. Okay, so now it says Gmail has some additional requirements. You can only Gmail data can only be sent to approved apps. So essentially, you cannot turn this on going directly from Gmail to Discord, because Discord is not one of the approved apps, and I'll show you the list of approved apps that Google is now allowing you to automate directly from Gmail. So we have to figure out a way to solve this problem. If we go through, here's the list of approved apps with which you can go directly from Gmail to and this is again from Google, and I'll leave this in the description box below so you can read this in more detail, what the actual restrictions are, what capabilities you have. But now let's talk about and let's solve this problem so that we can turn this app on and have it be fully automated. Okay, so how might we solve that problem to get our Gmail email that we want directly from Gmail into Discord, which is being prevented by Google in this case. So here's the list of approved applications, and we can see, okay, any built-in integration will work, and any Google app like Google Sheets. Okay, well, that's an idea. And then you can see and go through the other list from the link in the description box below. But so I thought, let's try to go through Google Sheets, write the data we want into a Google Sheet, then read it from a Google Sheet and post it to the Discord channel. So let's try that. So I created a Google Sheet. So you'll see I created this Google Sheets. I just called it Thinkorswim Alerts, and I just put 2 column headers in there, which is the data that I'm going to use. I put the raw snippet. I'm going to post that same text in. And then I thought, oh, it'd also be nice if I had the date time stamp of the alert, because I can tell the Discord members when this alert was actually sent from Thinkorswim. So we've got that created. There's nothing in it. It's just sheet 1 there. So let's see if we can use Google Sheet as an intermediary to get our data from our Gmail email to our Discord channel. So here's our Zap. Okay, can't do it that way. So now I want to insert an intermediate step. And I want to select a Google Sheet for this step. So now the event is going to be to update a row. I want to put the data into the row in the Google Sheet that came from the Gmail. And I want to select my drive. I want to select the appropriate spreadsheet. Select the worksheet that I want to post this in. And you could see that this is a generic solution for going from Gmail to any application that's not on that approved list that we saw from Google. So in the raw snippet field, I want to get the raw snippet from the Gmail email. And then in the alert date time, I'm going to find a date time stamp. There's a date time stamp. So I'll put that in the alert date time column. And in the row, I want this to be row number 2. Okay, to specify that I want the row to be updated to be row number 2 in my spreadsheet, I click in the row button, make sure that I have custom selected, come back, enter 2, tab out of there, and now I can either fill in those fields if I haven't already, or I can continue. Now we're ready to test our action and see if it will post this data to our Google Sheets spreadsheet. Says it was updated. We go to our Google Sheet. We see, look, there's our data. There's the raw snippet posted in row 2, cell A, and row 2, cell B. We've got the date, so that part worked. So now let's see if we can continue from there. So I don't need to retest. Now let's see if I can modify my Discord output set up to read the data from the Google Sheet. So I want to set up my action. Instead of getting the raw snippet data from the Google or from the Gmail, I want to get it from the update spreadsheet, the output of the update spreadsheet row. And in this case, I want the raw snippet. And then I can format the data appropriately. I'll get the alert date time, and then we can add some formatting to make the message look a little prettier. Okay, now I just typed in some labels in front of the data. I added a couple carriage returns to kind of format the data and the message that's going to come out in Discord. Again, you can type any message text in there that you want. We'll leave the bot name for now. We'll continue. We'll retest this a second to see if it still works, see what it looks like. Okay, it says it was sent. Let's go see what we got. Okay, so here's the output message in our TOS chat, or TOS channel in our Discord. You can see how it's formatted. It looks good. So now let's see if we resolve the problem with the prohibited applications in Google. So I'm going to try to turn this Zap on. And voila, now my Zap is on. I can go to my Zaps, and I should now see that this Zap is now enabled. So as you can see, this was a quick and easy way to use Google Sheets spreadsheet as an intermediary between Google Gmail and an application that's not on their list of approved applications for direct integration with Gmail. So again, if we then look at Gmail, if I search for that Zap that I just created, then I see my Gmail to Discord 1 that I just created on March 6th, which is today, and it's turned on. So the next time I receive one of those price alerts from Thinkorswim in my Google Gmail inbox, it will write it to that spreadsheet, read from that spreadsheet, and generate the message in the appropriate channel in Discord. So pretty cool, huh? So again, this solves the general problem of how to get from Google Gmail to an application, any application that is not in the approved list of applications for direct integration with Gmail. It doesn't have to just be Discord, it can be any application. If you use Google Sheets, write the data you want from the Gmail to a Google Sheet, then you can read it in the next step from the Google Sheet and go to the destination application. So hopefully you can see how that solves this problem, how powerful this is, how you can offer this as a service to your virtual consulting clients, how you can automate your workflows and make your business more efficient, effective, and productive. We hope you like this video. Please smash the like button. Please let us know what other types of Zaps, other types of workflows you'd like us to automate using Zapier, and or how we can help you be successful in your virtual consulting business. So we hope this all helps. So again, we hope that this video helps you see the awesome potential of automating your tasks, saving you time and effort with Zapier, making you more productive, efficient, and effective, and also opportunities where you could sell this as a service to automate tasks for your clients. So again, I think there's a lot of opportunities with using Zapier. We hope that you like this. Please let us know in the comments of this video what you think of this video using Zapier. We hope that you will come back and hit the notify button and subscribe to our virtual consulting channel. We'll be doing a lot more automation of workflows using Zapier, show you more tips and tricks and lessons learned of how to be most effective automating your task with Zapier. And again, we hope this helps. We hope you like it. Smash the like button. And again, subscribe to our virtual consulting channel. And we look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a great day. This video and the Virtual Consulting YouTube channel is powered by the Virtual Consulting Firm. Please also visit and follow us on social media via the links that you may find on our About page. In the top right, you can link to our Virtual Consulting homepage. You can follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. You can also find our web hosting company. And if you scroll to the bottom, you'll find additional links to some of our other social media sites, our Facebook site, our Instagram site. Also, we hope you will join us in the Virtual Consulting Facebook group where we can discuss any topics and you can ask any questions related to virtual consulting, and we'd be happy to help you succeed in your virtual consulting business, get started, and succeed in your virtual consulting business. And also our Pinterest, and again the web hosting company that we use for our homepage. So again, we hope you will also choose to follow us on our social media sites, visit us, let us know what you think of all this. How can we help you? We hope this all helps, and have a great day. Thank you for watching our video to the end. We hope that you liked it. Please smash the like button to help the YouTube algorithm share our videos with more of your fellow virtual consultants around the world. Please share this on your social media and with your other virtual consultants around the world. If you're not already subscribed to our Virtual Consulting YouTube channel, we hope that you will choose to subscribe, and please hit the bell icon to be notified as we release new content. Please provide us with your feedback in the comments below. Let us know how we can help you be more successful as a virtual consultant, get started as a virtual consultant, and be successful in your virtual consulting business. Again, thank you for watching our video to the end. We hope this all helps, and have a great day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this, and have a great day.